shocking as it may sound, you can be both skinny and fat at the same time. Welcome to the world of skinny fat. This paradoxical situation is a common predicament for many. You see, an individual can appear lean wearing clothes, but beneath the fabric, a different story unfolds. They possess a higher percentage of fat mass and a lower percentage of lean muscle. Now, you may wonder, what's the big deal? Well, despite the deceivingly thin appearance, being skinny fat can carry health risks similar to those associated with obesity. These risks range from heart disease to diabetes, and even some forms of cancer. It's a silent issue often overlooked due to societal norms and perceptions of what it means to be in shape. So how do you escape the skinny fat trap and build solid muscle? Stay tuned as we delve into a step-by-step guide. Firstly, understand your body, know what you're working with. It's like a canvas for an artist or a piece of marble for a sculptor. Your body composition, including your body fat percentage and muscle mass, is crucial to understand before diving into any fitness regimen. Why, you ask? Well, your body composition is the roadmap that informs your workout and diet plans. It's the blueprint that tells you where you need to build and where you need to trim. For instance, if your body fat percentage is high, it indicates the need for fat loss, which can be achieved through a combination of strength training and cardio. On the other hand, if your muscle mass is low, it points to the need for muscle-building activities like weight training. These insights into your unique body composition can help tailor a fitness plan that is just right for you. Remember, knowing your body is the first step to transforming it. Next, we talk about the building block of any transformation: nutrition. Picture this, you're constructing a building. The quality, strength, and durability of the structure largely depend on the materials you use, right? In the same way, your body is built and maintained by the food you consume. Let's delve into the role of a balanced diet in losing fat and gaining muscle. Imagine your plate as a vibrant mosaic of nutrients. Each section plays a different but integral role in your health. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. They all have a unique part to play. Protein is the star when it comes to muscle building. It's like the cement in our building analogy. It helps repair and build tissues, including the muscle tissue. When you work out, you create micro tears in your muscles. Protein steps in to repair these tears, making your muscles stronger over time. So ensure your diet is rich in high-quality protein, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like lentils and tofu. But what about fat loss? Here's where things get a bit tricky. To lose fat, you need to create a slight calorie deficit. That is, consume fewer calories. Fewer calories than your body burns. But remember, you don't want to starve yourself. That could lead to muscle loss and a slowed metabolism. Instead, focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that keep you satiated and nourished. Think whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Also, don't forget the role of fats and carbs. Carbs provide the energy for your workouts and daily activities, while fats support hormone production and nutrient absorption. So while you might need to adjust the amounts, don't eliminate these vital nutrients from your diet. All this might sound complex, but it's about finding what works for your body. Everyone is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all. Approach to nutrition, experiment, adjust, and find your balance. Remember, your body is a temple and food is the bricks and mortar. Now let's pump some iron. Strength training is your best friend in this journey. Picture this. Each time you hoist a weight, your muscles are put to work. They tear, repair, and grow stronger. This process is the magic behind mind muscle building, but the benefits of strength training extend beyond just beefing up your biceps or sculpting your abs. It plays a crucial role in your fight against skinny fat. Strength training increases your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. This is the number of calories your body needs to perform basic functions like breathing and maintaining body temperature. When you engage in strength training, your muscles are activated and they need more energy to function. As a result, your BMR increases, which means you'll be burning more calories even when you're not lifting weights. In essence, strength training turns your body into a calorie-burning machine, aiding in fat loss. Now, when it comes to strength training exercises, variety is key. Incorporating different types of exercises in your routine will ensure that you work different muscle groups. For instance, squats and deadlifts are fantastic for working your lower body. On the other hand, bench presses and pull-ups are great for your upper body. Remember, the goal is to create a well-rounded routine that targets all muscle groups. It's also important to progressively increase the intensity of your workouts. This means gradually adding more weight, performing more reps, or decreasing rest time between sets. But remember, always prioritize form over quantity. Lifting heavy with poor form is a recipe for injury. Lastly, don't forget to give your body ample time to recover. Muscle growth happens during rest, not during the workout itself. So ensure you're getting enough sleep and giving your body time to heal and grow. Strength training is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you used to be. It's about pushing your limits, challenging yourself, and witnessing your body transform. So pick up those weights and let's get stronger together. Cardio. Some love it. Some hate it, but you can do it. It's the steady drumbeat that underpins every fitness routine. When it comes to shedding that skinny fat and building lean muscle, cardio is your loyal companion, helping you torch those stubborn calories. No, you don't need to become a marathon runner or a triathlete. What's key is finding a cardio regimen that you enjoy and can stick with. It could be a brisk walk in the park, a cycling session, or even a dance class. The goal is to get your heart pumping and your body moving. Now, you might be wondering, but isn't strength training enough? Well, think of cardio and strength training as two sides of the same coin. While strength training helps build muscle, cardio ensures that you're burning fat simultaneously. This combination is the golden ticket to losing skinny fat and gaining muscle mass. Cardio is like brushing your teeth. It's more important to have consistent daily quality than occasional marathon sessions. Finally, the secret ingredients: consistency and patience, like a chef perfecting a signature dish. It's the consistent and patient application of these elements that bring about true transformation. In our journey to shed skinny fat and gain muscle mass, there's no room for half-hearted attempts. Sticking to our workout routines and diet plans with unwavering dedication is the key. But let's not forget, Rome wasn't built in a day. Our bodies are intricate machines, and tuning them to our desire requires time. Expecting instant results is like expecting a seed to turn into a tree overnight. It won't happen. Instead, we must nurture the process, patiently watering our seeds of effort with consistency. With time, our bodies will respond, and the transformation will begin. It might be slow, but it will be steady. And most importantly, it will be sustainable. Because remember, consistency is what turns average into excellence. So, there you have it, your roadmap from skinny fat to fit and muscular. We've dived deep into the skinny fat paradox, helping you to understand your body better and why it might be stuck in this frustrating state. Remember, nutrition is your building block. It's the fuel your body needs to transform, so never underestimate its power. Next, we've explored the significant role of strength training. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about building a strong, resilient body that can stand the test of time. And let's not forget about cardio. It's the perfect complement to your strength training, helping to burn those stubborn fats while improving your overall endurance. Lastly, we've emphasized the importance of consistency and patience. Transforming your body isn't an overnight job. It's a journey where every step counts. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Stay consistent, stay patient, and the results will follow. Until next time, stay strong. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.